Hi, I'm Sammi from Australia. We just stayed at the Arts Factory in Byron Bay. It's like a backpackers lodge. You can camp there or stay in their dorms. It was really cool. It was really different to all the other backpackers we've stayed at. Instead of buildings, I think they had a couple of building dorms as well, but there was a lot in teepees. So there was huge teepee dorms and like a wagon type thing. It's hard to explain. It's really something you have to experience for yourself. Yeah, it was really cool. You can camp there as well, and they've got their own cafe, and so you can have all your food there. And there's a brewery right next door, so you can go across there as well. They've got heaps of activities on. There was talent quests and things like that, and they have nature walks that are going all for free, so you can keep you entertained at the park, or you can get a free ride into Byron Bay, which is only a 5-minute walk or anything anyway. And you can go to the beach there. You can hire surfboards from the Arts Factory as well as in town, and the beach there was really good as well, so you can go in there. You can also do some shopping, experience Byron. Byron's a really nice place. So yeah, there's heaps of stuff to do there. Yeah, Arts Factory, that was really cool.